Wonderland Weekly is proud to present Dorney Park 2022. Now sit back and have a wonderful trip abroad.
If you want to run down and take a break from the screen, you find the right ride. The Cedar Creek Cannonball is a family favorite that has been signed in 1993 because it's almost 30 years. Known as one of the more stunning rides at Dorney Park and Wildwater Kingdom. This train takes us also the more natural and beautiful areas of the park, which showcases all the best rides and attractions. On your right is Talon, the ride for first. Talon opened in 2001 and is one of the most popular rides here at Dorney Park and Wildwater Kingdom. It is the third longest inverted roller coaster in the Northeast.
Right over there is Thunder Canyon, and oh my goodness, what an intense ride that is.
The ride we have going is compared to mountain shopping has never been so fun. This classic mountain car ride comes for the whole family and is one relatively new. Released in 2017.
Oh yeah, the Dodgems was just put back in the park a few years ago. The Thunder Canyon is really, man, there was a lot more spinning than I expected on it, and you definitely get completely drenched on that ride. Just completely. It was a lot of fun though. Very rough. Like, prepare for some pretty intense impacts with the walls. And, oh my goodness, there's Talon's track right there. It's so fun to see it from this angle.
Now we are coming up on water crossing, which connects Dorney Park to the roller gate with Water Kingdom. While visiting this amazing water park, you will find slides, wave pools, and more.
Yeah, this is a lot of fun. It's cute. Both the train rides at this park are like, they're smaller than, some of the bigger parks have. This is like pretty adorable. I'm not gonna lie. This is pretty great. Oh man. And yeah, definitely had a lot of fun in Wildwater Kingdom this morning. I could really spend a whole day in Wildwater Kingdom without any concerns like that without any trouble. That would be great. That really would be a great day at the park, and I totally understand why people love the water park here so much. It was so busy. But if you come on like a quieter day, that would be amazing. They have so many slides. Oh my goodness, I love this. Look at the train. Oh yes, and also Thunder Canyon does have a really
Let's talk
incredible
about
sign.
another water ride. Cedar Canyon, which you will know is called on the left side. Cedar Canyon was built in 1994 and is a river rapids ride that provides family and friends over 1 million gallons of rushing
It's a giant sign, and it's there are a couple weird things about Thunder Canyon. For one, it took forever for them to. I think it's just bad operations and not necessarily a problem with the ride, although they don't have a moving platform, like not a turntable like every other park's River Rapids ride that I've been on. That loading process, it took a while. I think it might have just been who was operating the ride at the time, but oh my goodness, that took so much out of our day. I lost so much time waiting for that one ride. But it was a really, really great ride. Not sure it was worth the wait. But you know, I was already doing the other water rides, except for the Shoot the Chutes, because I don't really like those rides. But yeah, no, and man, it's pretty incredible that like they have, you know, multiple like railway crossings here. And earlier than one of the arms like just didn't go down, and another one didn't go down all the way. So the person in the booth over here had to get out and like go make sure that everything was okay. Obviously right now you don't have people walking back and forth, so I feel like they just have these down for the night because there's no reason for anyone to be walking along this pathway. So yeah, just kind of cool. I like that aspect. It's a fun, neat thing.
Along the Bayou, well for 6 months attraction. Along the Bayou will open with top during Selena in September and October. As we run the final line, we can see Wonderland starting in 1993. Wonderland is one of the total weather room rides in the world, with I think of 80 feet into a freshwater lagoon. People got a big load of Sprite and almost everyone gets wet.
Also blood on the Bayou. Then yeah, the park is definitely preparing for its very popular haunt event. Like I think, as far as I understand, then Dorney Park does haunt right. They have some really great mazes, and it really is like a full park transformation. I would love to come here for that event one day, but not this year. I don't think. It does take quite a while to get here. Fun times on the Cannonball here.
Thank you. Have a good night at Dorney Park and Water Kingdom.
Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like the video, comment with anything you'd like me to cover in the future, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and support me on Patreon so that I can visit more parks and create more wonderful videos.